Imagine a future where massive trucks move across American highways without burning a single drop of diesel. No engine roar, no exhaust smoke, just quiet power and cutting-edge technology. That future is closer than ever with the Tesla Semi-Truck 2026, and today we're breaking down exactly why this electric truck could completely transform the trucking industry in the United States. From the very first look, the Tesla Semi doesn't feel like a traditional truck. Its aerodynamic shape is designed to cut through the air more efficiently than diesel semis, reducing drag and increasing range. Tesla claims this design alone plays a huge role in lowering operating costs, which is one of the biggest concerns for fleet owners and independent truckers across America. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Tesla Semi 2026 really surprises people. Despite being fully electric, it delivers instant torque, allowing it to accelerate faster than many diesel trucks even when fully loaded. Tesla has engineered the Semi to handle heavy cargo with ease, making it ideal for long-haul routes, regional deliveries, and major logistics operations throughout the USA. Range anxiety is always a big question, but Tesla addresses that head-on. The Tesla Semi 2026 is expected to offer up to 500 miles of range on a single charge, depending on configuration and load. For American trucking routes, that means fewer stops, predictable planning, and major fuel savings over time. Charging is handled through Tesla's Megacharger system, which can add hundreds of miles of range in about 30 minutes, perfectly timed for mandatory driver breaks. Step inside the cabin and the Tesla Semi interior feels more like a high-tech command center than a truck. The driver sits in a centered position, giving better visibility and balance. Large digital displays replace traditional gauges, showing navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and safety systems in real time. The minimalist dashboard reduces distractions, while advanced driver assistance features help make long drives safer and less stressful. Safety is another major focus. The Tesla Semi is built with enhanced visibility